So a lot of people want to know, how quickly will my home sell? The market climate will determine how quickly your home will sell. In a hot market right now, where there's limited inventory, meaning there's more buyers than homes to purchase, you can sell your home in just a few days. Although I highly recommend allowing the home to have a proper marketing time so that you can receive the most amount of offers with the best terms. Anytime someone tells me they sold their home in one day, I always shake my head and I think, I know what that means. It means that they left money on the table. Because if there are more homes on the market than buyers, then you can expect a little bit of a longer time for the home to sell. We can discuss timing and how quickly you feel your home will sell when I meet with you. It's really important to look at the absorption rate in determining the amount of time. The absorption rate is a term that most commonly is used in the real estate market to evaluate the rate at which available homes are sold in a specific market during a given time period. It's calculated by dividing the average number of sales per month by the total number of available homes. So according to Investopedia, a seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals more than 20%, and a buyer's market would have an absorption rate lower than 15%. I personally feel like these numbers are a bit too vast right now in today's market. If we're seeing a home take longer than 60 days to sell, then it's really probably overpriced, especially right now. So read below to see what to consider when pricing your home, and I'll see you in the next video.